Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with another Color Street Color Play subscription box unboxing. This is the August 2024 sub box called Bazaar Explorer. Just got this in the mail today after I got home from work, so let's get into unboxing this and my first impressions, because I've been doing really well not looking on spoilers on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, just trying really hard to stay away from being getting sneak peeks of this. So let's begin. Alright, we'll look at this pamphlet at the end because I don't want any spoilers. Flip those over. So normal nail prep pad that is included along with the nail file. That's the usual. Let's start with this because this stands out. Limited edition eyeshadow. So Sandstorm is what it's called. So from what I heard from the Color Street stylists that I support, Color Street's going to be coming out with a bunch of eyeshadow palettes, and I kind of knew that we were going to get an eyeshadow in this sub box only because folks have been talking about it already, so I didn't see what it was, but I did hear about it. So I'm excited to try Color Street eyeshadow. Haven't been wearing too much makeup, but when I do wear makeup, I love wearing their balm blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. This packaging's way cute. Wow, look at that. Ooh, it's such a nice, like, for a little trial, like, freebie inside a sub box. That is awesome. That's awesome packaging. I like it. I wonder if they'll come out, because they were going to come out with palettes, but I wonder if they'll come out with single shadows like this, because that is such a pretty neutral color for just a wash of color over the eyes, and just pair it with a Color Street gel eyeliner, for example. This one's Marine, which, let me just pop that open and show you all. If I were to put eyeshadow and then line it with eyeliner, I think that would look so pretty. Oh, now I gotta do my makeup. I have to have a reason to go get my makeup done. This one is bronze, but just to see a little bit of like the eyeliner with that eyeshadow. Definitely gonna try this out, and if you're part of my Facebook group, Wendy's Nail Fee Studio, I'll probably post a picture of me wearing the eyeshadow just because. Alright, but that is exciting. I'm excited about that. We're all here though to see the nails, because Color Street is just known for their nails, and I know it's not a popular opinion that Color Street is venturing into makeup and all that. I really hope Fall Park, the CEO and founder of Color Street, gets into skincare, because I would love like some good skincare. But yes, let's get started unboxing the nails and first impressions. Obviously, first impressions of the free product in this sub box, the eyeshadow, 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for me. Alright, here is the first set. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 4 full sets and 2 little accent pack sets. Alright, Timeless Turquoise. Ooh, I hope this is a good color, because I do like a good turquoise. Oh, okay. That glitter combination is really pretty, but I guess when I think of turquoise, I didn't think of glitter. I was thinking, I don't know why I was thinking like a solid. I don't think I recall too many solids being included in the sub boxes. But it's pretty. I would love to see it out in natural lighting. It's hard to tell with my camera's lighting what that looks like actually, because I've got the ring light on. If I turn the ring light off, then it's too dark. So yeah, I can't really show you guys how it looks in person on camera because the lighting does kind of skew it a little bit. But in person, it's very pretty. It leans very green, I think. Which I guess turquoise is a greenish blue color. But that is pretty. And that does kind of match the box right there. So that's a start. Copper and spice. Okay, there seems to be a theme with these. Is it glitter? Or is it just really shiny texture shimmer? That almost looks more like a solid because it's like not as grainy looking as this one here, where you could see that there's like dimension in the color. Depending on where you flash that turquoise one, it shows a different kind of glitter color, whereas with this one, copper and spice, is just one color. So that's pretty. It kind of goes with the eyeshadow that's been included in this. Let's take a look at that real quick again. Kind of, sorta, but not exactly. But that is pretty. I don't know if I'd wear that all by itself on my nails, but definitely if I were to like cut strips and pair those together, they would go really well. Desert Desires. Okay, all of them are like the same themed kind of. This reminds me of the, was it September box of last year, where it was literally like the same style of nail but in different colors. That really westerny one. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? But that's what it's reminding me of right now with these three right here. Very pretty, really like mocha brown, like a light brown color. And then Silk Mirage. Ah, yes, this. Yes, Color Street. Please tell me that's like translucent, transparent color overlay. Please, please, please. We'll look at the the pamphlet at the end here, but this matches the box exactly, and I love that they did a full set of this. So very pretty. Oh, I might have to take this mani off. It's already grown out, as you guys can see. This was my last mani where I did the jelly sandwich with the ILNP nail polish, but then I ended up adding another layer, Color Street Bandana Republic, and then another layer of jelly. So definitely time to get those off and put something new on, and I'm here for this. Silk Mirage. Oh my gosh. Okay, Henna Harmony. Ooh, I like that. That better be an overlay. Oh, so pretty, but only 4 strips. Color Street, come on. They could have totally done like these as accent packs, these colored ones, and then given me a full set of this so that I can have multiple uses with that one, but that's okay. Not everyone's into overlays, I get it. Glow with the Flow. Oh, haha. This one, yes, I think in the last Color Street Color Play box, was it Color Motion or Motion in Color or whatever, all of us were like complaining that they should have made like a full set of this. rather than just a little accent pack. And also on the pamphlet, they accidentally misprinted that there was 2 of these when there was only 1. And so they said that the August box would include another set, which is this. So if you haven't seen the unboxing of the July 2024 color play box, you can click through my videos and find that. But yeah, that's a nice way to fix that typo error. But you know what would be better is if Color Street would just hire someone specifically to proofread everything and make sure that it's all kosher before going to print. I do that kind of work at my job, and so I'm like, pick me, pick me. Just kidding. Don't pick me. I've got a good job. Although, if Color Street wants to throw an offer out there. Just kidding. Anyways, let's look at this pamphlet, shall we? Share with us. So share your exquisite manicure on social media and use the hashtag colorplay to show the world your creativity. And so this color play Bazaar Explorer is the August 2024 box, as mentioned. Look at the different combos they did. See, that turquoise looks so different on the nail than it does like on the strip paper right there. This looks lighter than what I see with my naked eye. In this month's box, discover a world where culture and history blend seamlessly in color plays Bazaar Explorer. This box features 3 exquisite shimmers, a multicolored texture design, and a henna detailed clear overlay that captures the beauty of traditional aesthetics. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design that expresses your love for travel. And then bonus item, your eyes will glow like the warmth of sun-soaked sands with our metallic bronze eyeshadow in Sandstorm, a little sneak peek of our newest upcoming product line. So like I said, the Color Street's going to be coming out with eyeshadow palettes soon. So yeah, if you're looking for makeup, my sister-in-law Carla actually is no longer a Color Street stylist, so you'll no longer be hearing me say like click below to, you know, shop her link or whatever, but I'll still be supporting my other Color Street stylists that I tend to buy from. So if any of them are having like beauty socials or whatever during the time I record a video, I will post their links below. So yeah. Alright, let's meet the strips. So Timeless Turquoise is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a shimmer. Adorn your nails with this timeless turquoise coated with a holographic shimmer. And then Desert Desires is a 2-sheet of 8-finger strips shimmer. Make your desert desires come true with this red bronze shimmer. Oh. Ooh, if I can read. Copper and Spice, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips is a shimmer. Copper and Spice makes everything nice with this fuchsia flashed, rustic copper fuchsia flashed. I didn't see that. Okay, in certain angles, if you turn it just right, you do see kind of a fuchsia purpley. Okay. The things you learn. Wait, was that it? No, it was this one. It's this one, huh? Well, the other one too had kind of a purpley flash to it. Maybe it was just my imagination, but alright. Silk Mirage, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a shimmer design. So this nude shimmer with a faded multicolored textile design is like a lush silk at your fingertips. So it doesn't sound like it is translucent or transparent. These are the other looks. Okay, so it's not like a clear, it's solid. So, boo! Well, that's fine. That just means that I'll probably wear that all by itself. But yeah, Henna Harmony is a 1 sheet of 4-finger strips, clear overlay. Turn your manicure into a Henna Harmony with this clear overlay designed with elegant detailing. And then due to the error on our July Color Play leaflet, we're including a bonus nail set in your August Color Play box, which is cool for those of us who subscribe every month. But for those that, you know, chose to skip July box and buy the August box, then you guys get bonus. For those that chose to skip the August box but bought the July box, you miss out on the bonus item. So it doesn't really make any sense, really, as far as making up for the July box for those that don't choose to subscribe to Color Play every single month. But that's just my 2 cents on that. This one is Desert Desires, Timeless Turquoise, and Henna Harmony. So it looks like one hand with one and the other with the other. The front cover is Timeless Turquoise, Silk Mirage, Copper and Spice. So that's this one right here. And then the back cover is Henna Harmony and Desert Desires. So I definitely like how simplistic this is. Like, I feel like I really like the turquoise with the henna design. But I love this set. I think that might be my next mani, only because my nails, well, I do need to kind of sort of finish my bingo, my mani bingo, because that's ending at the end of August, so I might have to think about that too. Alright, anyways, this video is getting too long. That is the unboxing of the August 2024 Color Play Bazaar Explorer. These are all the sets. What do you guys think? Did you subscribe this month? Did you receive your box yet? Are you a fan of the makeup item? Are you a fan of the sets? Comment below and let me know. Otherwise, if you have watched this whole video and you don't know what to comment, go ahead and comment a peace sign, because traveling all over the world, we just want peace in the Middle East. Alright, peace.